Highway 71, a few miles south, a couple miles south of Elm Grove Elementary School. Highway 71, a major thoroughfare here in Bossier Parish. This is what happens when you have a very, very large amount of rainfall in a short period of time.
There you go.
Long as we know. I'm going that way. Out here at Red River South Travel Plaza doing a pretty good job of rescuing folks, helping folks get out of homes. What's it been like out here, man?
People have been struggling.
We are right now in the middle of a major highway here in South Bossier Parish.
Yes, sir, we are. Highway 71 South.
And you're standing in what, 2.5 feet of water?
That's correct.
Normally people going 55 miles an hour down this road.
Normally, yes, sir.
You know what they say, necessity is the mother of all invention. Sheriff, you're now in a Kodiak on Highway 71, just near Poole Road here. What's it like?
I've driven it many a time. I've actually seen it over the road here, but nothing you couldn't drive through in a Suburban or something like that. But now it's too deep for a high water vehicle, and we're in boats. Never seen anything like it.
What does this say about the waters that came down here in Bossier Parish to do something like this to this major highway?
I don't know that it's ever been this high. I haven't gone back and looked at all the records, but I've talked to some people who lived here for 70 and 80 years, their families, and said it's never been this high, not in any of the previous floods.
You're the sheriff of Bossier Parish, and yet you've got driving this boat here, man of the National Guard, Louisiana National Guard. Tell me about the relationship we've got between all the first responders.
It's not only National Guard, but everybody, fire, and just everybody's been wide open since Tuesday night. And unfortunately, we're going to have to keep running wide open. This water's not going anywhere. You've got, I don't know, 3-4 miles at least. So far, 71 covered. That's not going away in the morning. It's going to be days, weeks before we're out of this. If it doesn't rain anymore.
Did I hear you say that the levee is actually holding this water in and not letting it out to?
No, ma'am, the levee's not holding it in.
What were you guys saying about that?
It's actually the Bossier Parish opposite gets lower to the river. The river
good now.
One that's on either of the boats that we're on right now. None of our elected officials, none of our law enforcement agencies have really ever seen before in any of our lifetimes. We are talking about historic flooding. What we're going to look at right here, we are boating our way down Highway 71, State Highway, a major highway. This is what traffic would normally be driving down, but it appears as if we're in the middle of a bayou somewhere, you know, off in the middle of the wilderness, but that's what it's looking like right now. I am on a National Guard raft with Bossier Sheriff Julian Whittington along with other elected officials right now. Sheriff Whittington, what's your reaction to seeing all this?
We've dealt with low spots in the roads over the years. They'll be temporarily closed a day or two, but I've never seen 4, 5, 6 miles of Highway 71 too big for a high water truck having to resort to a boat.
We know that there are residents who live along this way. What are the reports that you're hearing about the status of their homes and everything?
As a matter of fact, both times we're down here to check on some people. Most of them are prepared for it, but they're operating. So it's a general emergency, it's a real problem for them. A lot of livestock and
Traveling down Poole Road here in South Bossier Parish, just off Highway 71. Across the railroad tracks. Boy, oh boy.
One along these trees, so we're going to need to stay about 15 feet off this fence line.
But, oh, go ahead.
We're going to need to stay about 15 feet off this wood line going straight because there's fences on both sides. You can see it over there. We don't need to run into a barbed wire fence.
So just stay straight. I'm in right now.
Yeah, get about 15 feet off the fence line, and off the tree line, and you'll be okay.
Okay, I see it now.
Butch, tell me where we are and where we're going.
We just crossed the tracks there at Poole Road. We're headed due east. Okay, we got the Lot family that lives right here, and then we'll travel on down. And there's another 10 families that live at the end of this road. A variety of homes, mobile homes, and some stick-built houses.
Poole Road is not, flooding is not something, I mean, they're used to flooding, but not like this.
Not like this. This is a new one. Move over to me a little bit. So this way. There you go. You can see there is a fence right over there. Oh. 35 sign up there, sir.
Yes. Okay, I see it.
Look at that. Look at that. The horses. Take a picture, Bob. My camera's dead.
I gotta get this. I've been waiting for the shot. This is the shot right here. Don't drop it.
This is sand now. This is sand. And springtime, Bossier Parish. Look at this. That guy
I've got 2 horses up there.
That guy has to come in here and bring feet. Okay. All right. Well, call Patrick or call us if you need anything. We're going to be coming right back, Mike. Flood of record.
A flood of record, yep. Folks, this is Poole Road here in South Bossier off of Highway 71. And all this is, there's water everywhere. The floods that we've had in recent years never saw water like this. Unprecedented, officials tell us. Been down here to check on these folks, see if they're doing okay. We've got some folks still in their homes. They're okay. This water will not be going down anytime soon, but this is what flash flooding does here at Bossier Parish. But officials are on top of it to ensure that folks are okay, animals are okay, and hopefully we'll get back to life as normal and as dry as we can soon. By the way, courtesy of the Louisiana National Guard, give us a trip down here. Thank you guys for your support.
Yes, sir. We appreciate yourself too.
Well, we're taking a trip down Poole Road, Sheriff. What's it been like for you?
Well, nothing like first-hand experience. Seeing stranded livestock, people's trucks loaded down that are now drowned out, can't go anywhere. It's a house that's normally up on stilts, but you wouldn't know it when you went by. You couldn't see anything underneath. But I mean, the waves got high. We were concerned about whitecapping across what's normally a pasture. That's a strange feeling.
What's the message for these folks down here?
Even though this is the highest, I think a lot of them have ever seen it, highest it's ever been as far as I know, I don't think it scares them. They know what it's like down here. They've been through similar events before, and they're determined to do it.
Like the folks for the jury and y'all come down here for a reason. You want to check on these folks.
We want them to know that we want to do all we can for them. We're limited. Mother Nature's pretty powerful, and we can't tame it. We want to help them where we can.
What about the National Guard out here with their boats? What do you think?
These guys with the boats, they don't mind jumping in and getting the job done. Might have a future as a deputy. We'll see. But we're turning right on Highway 1. Now 71.
Yeah.
We ran that stop sign.
So we ran a stop sign going on Highway 71 here.
Got a phone paddle.
This is normally a major highway we just turned right onto.
Need to throw him a rope. Cargo's already made it.